Yo. Yeah, yeah. Hey.
Hey guys, it's Paloma here, back again with another video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day pregnant edition because I'm pregnant, and I just want to show you guys a realistic what I eat in a day. I don't like eat super healthy and clean like I used to, which I should, which I know I'm bad at it, but I want to show you guys what I eat and like simple things that I cook in it and stuff like that. I'll put the recipes down below if you guys are interested in making anything that I make. And yeah guys, we're just gonna enjoy a day of me eating, and if you guys want to watch that, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so it's time for breakfast, and I'm gonna be having some maple and brown sugar quick oats, and I'm gonna be adding some strawberries, some granola, and some honey drizzled. So the first thing I do is I wash my strawberries because you know they have to be clean, and after I wash my strawberries I start cutting them up into very tiny pieces because I love a piece of strawberry in every bite when I eat my oatmeal. Being lazy this morning, so I'm using instant oat. So all I have to do is add milk or water. I usually like my oatmeal with milk, so I'm going to be adding some milk to it. There's a line inside where it tells you where to stop adding the water or milk, so that's what I'm doing now. I go ahead and put the oatmeal in the microwave for about 40 seconds. So now that the oatmeal's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put it all into a plate. I put my oatmeal first, then I add my strawberries and put some granola, and I drizzle some honey. And this tastes so good, guys. You guys have to try it. Maple and sugar oatmeal is so good, and the instant oats, it's delicious. You have to try it. So on the side, I like to drink my water, and I got this clear cup from Amazon. I usually like cold water with lemon, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm putting some ice cubes in my cup, then I'm going to be adding my water, and then I'm going to cut up some lemon and put that in my water because I just like my water to have flavor, and lemon with water is just super good. Okay, now it's snack time, and I'm gonna have a little snack before I head out because I have to go do some errands. And I've been obsessed with oranges. These oranges are so good and juicy, so I just cut them up. And before I do cut them up, I place them in the fridge because I like them to be cold. And then I usually have like a granola bar on the side. These usually bring two, but I just eat one if I'm also eating oranges. And then if I'm still feeling a little hungry, or I know that I'm going to be out for a long time, I'll make myself a protein shake at home, which is usually like strawberry and bananas with berries. Or I'll have a naked pina colada drink, which has a lot of grams of protein, and it just has a lot of good vitamins inside it. So if you guys haven't tried it, you should definitely try it out. And I also drink my water on the side with lemon because I just drink water all day. So since I am pregnant, I do have to take my prenatals every day, and these are just some prenatal gummies that I have to take. I take 2 of them, and they're super good and yummy. So I was out for a few hours, and I was craving McDonald's, so I got a double cheeseburger and fries, and as you can see, I definitely was eating the fries on my way home, and then I ate that with a side of sweet and sour. I just love sweet and sour, and McDonald's could be so good sometimes, so that was basically my lunch. It's dinner time, so I'm just showing you guys everything I use to season the meat. And tonight we're going to be having drumsticks, broccoli, and white rice. So I'm just going to show you guys how I season my meat. So the first thing I do is I obviously wash it and I wash my hands, and then I go ahead and season the meat with all the seasonings that I use. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in the description so you guys know everything I use to season my meat. After I season one side of the meat, I go ahead and season the other side of the meat, and then once I do that, I just rub in all the seasoning so it can be coated well on the chicken. So once I go ahead and finish that, I go ahead and put some aluminum foil on the chicken and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. That way it can just marinate for a little bit. And since I'm going to be making broccoli, what I do is I grab my broccoli, I wash it, and then I start cutting it up into very tiny pieces. And once I do that, I go ahead and boil some water. And once the water is boiling, I add some salt, and then I go ahead and put in the broccoli and cover it up for like 5 to 6 minutes. So as the broccoli is boiling and steaming itself, I go ahead and place the chicken on a pan so I can go ahead and put it in the oven. I preheat the oven to 400, and what I like to do is I like to add some butter on top of the meat, and that just gives it so much flavor, and it just makes it like super juicy and stuff while it's in the oven. So you should definitely try that out because it comes out so good. So now the broccoli is done, and what I do is I drain the broccoli, and on the same pan I go ahead and add some olive oil, some minced garlic, and some lemon, and then I go ahead and add the broccoli because this just gives it some more flavor, and I love flavor on my veggies. So yeah, I go ahead and do that. And then I do have some rice cooking here on the side. I didn't really show you guys how to make the rice, but rice is really easy. Once the rice boils up in the water, oil, and salt, you go ahead and put it on low for like 20 to 25 minutes and the rice should be ready. So this is dinner, guys. The meat came out so good. Look how good and crispy it is and juicy at the same time. The broccoli was super good, but I did add some sriracha because I love some spice to my food, and it was just super yummy. My little man is right here and we're gonna be eating dinner, and yeah, he literally rated this good, so he liked it, I liked it, and it's just super good. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our dinner, guys. Thank you for watching this video. So you like my cooking?
Yeah.
How much?
I give it 5 out of 10.
You give it 5 out of 10? Why?
Actually, I give it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. That sounds better. So now you gotta eat all your food and eat your
10 out
broccoli.
of 10.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this what I eat in a day. If you try any of these recipes or anything that I cooked today, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.